whenever we have a string surrounded by single quotes, and if we try to include a single quote within the string, look what happens. The editor starts to give error. Why is that? Actually, the compiler thinks our string is ending here and this is a closing quote. Similarly, when we try to use double quotes inside double quotes, again we start to see the error. Or when we try to use backslash in our string, that is also illegal. Now the question is there some way to bypass this error when we really need to add single quote, double quote or backslash in our string? And the answer is yes, by using escape character. That's simply backslash. So use backslash before an illegal character and the error will disappear. So let's put backslash here and you can see the error is gone. Let's do the same thing with double quotes. To allow this double quote, put backslash here and do the same for the second quote. And everything looks fine now. And here this single quote is having problem. No problem. Let's add backslash here. Well, how does this backslash works? Actually, this backslash does not exist in this string. It simply allows the next illegal character to be part of the string. If we print the message and press run, you can see backslash is nowhere in our string. So use backslash to allow any illegal characters in your string.